Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare bitter gourd fry without the bitter taste. For this I am going to use 2 medium-sized bitter gourds. Slice them into pieces like this. Now let us remove the seeds. Once you remove the seeds, add little salt, around half a teaspoon. Give this a nice mix. Now let us close this and leave it for about 15 minutes. This is after 15 minutes. You can see the difference. It will have become a little soft. When you add salt to the bitter gourd, it will leave some water. So we are going to squeeze the bitter gourd and remove the excess water. If you remove this water, the bitterness of the bitter gourd will come down. This way you can avoid the bitter taste. This water is useless, you can throw it out. For marinating the bitter gourd, we need half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of besan, that is gram flour, the required amount of salt, and juice of half a lemon. Now give everything a nice mix. This seems to be little dry, so I am going to add a little water. Don't add excess water, just sprinkle it. Once done, add a teaspoon of oil. So here the marination part is over. Next we are going to fry this. For frying this, I am going to use Solara air fryer. This is really efficient, affordable and handy. Grease the given tray with little oil. And here I am arranging the marinated bitter gourd. Solara air fryer has a digital display and very easy to operate. And here we have placed the tray inside. Now it is ready to be fried. This air fryer has 6 preset modes. We are going to use French fry mode. So M is the mode button. When you click the M button again, your mode changes. This mode button has options for frying fish, prawns, chicken and meat. The mode also has options for pizzas and French fries. Here I am going to use a French fries option, but you have to increase the temperature to 190 degrees Celsius. And this option's cooking time is 25 minutes. You have to take it out in between and you have to flip it once. So after about 12 minutes I have taken this out and I am flipping it. Once it is done, place the tray into the air fryer. Once the tray is fixed, the timer starts automatically from where it left. Once done, you will hear a long beep sound and then you can take it out. So here our fries are ready. This has turned out very good. This looks like oil fried. If you want to buy Solara air fryer, the link is there in the description box. You can click it and buy it. To enhance the taste of this fry, top this with few fried curry leaves. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.